Welcome back to the studio. Same studio, just different angle. Welcome back, everybody. This is your React Native newsletter. This is issue 161, and my name is Jon Major. Let's get into these highlights. Let's do it. So in a world where users want to get at information quickly, and if not buy things very quick, which inevitably leads to buyer's remorse, mind you, so be careful out there. But that aside, it's no revelation that businesses want their users to get into their app and stay for long periods of time to make decisions such as buying stuff or what have you. And so this blog post can help with measuring and improving your React Native startup time so that, yes, the users can get in there quickly and spend all their money. And speaking about app startup time, or when the app is started for the first time, we are greeted with a splash screen, which is either gonna be a static image, which is meh, or it's gonna be something that is more animated of sorts, that's more spicier. And so in this blog post, it talks about how to do that with a package called React Native Reanimated. And in the end of this blog post, it does give an example, the Hashnode app, which you might have installed. And if you do, you know what the splash screen already looks like, I'm sure. But if you do not have it installed, why not download it? And I will just demonstrate how it looks as well. So as you can see, it's pretty fast. It's also smooth and it's animated. So go for something spicier, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Make it spicy. But anyways, that is it. Check out the other two blog posts. The one is on Expo Solido, which if you know anything about Solido, it is chef's kiss. It's a really cool package. And the other one is more on performance, and we can all use more information on performance. So definitely check out those two. I'll catch you all later in the next video. Until then, Major out and happy coding. Bye.